Hello there, out here enjoying a beautiful sunny day. Last day of February the 28th. It's about 55 today where I'm at anyway, and just gorgeous sunny day. I'm out at Usury Mountain Park and I just wanted to share some of the scenery. This is such a great little getaway. It is in Northeast Mesa. It's only about 30 minutes from most parts of the East Valley or less. And you are just so secluded. You're out here in High Sonoran Desert. I'm going to do a little slow turn here, give you an idea what it looks like. Behind me here is Usury Mountain, the mountain that it's named for. And then if I go a little further, off in the distance, can't see them real well, but those are the, the Superstition Mountain. It's also fairly sparsely trafficked, so though I've seen some people, it's not crowded like some of the parks where you go out there and, geez, you're bumping into each other. So this is a good one if you want to get away from it all, but not have to drive too far. I'll show you some trail scenes as well, too.